Hello students, uh, today we are going to discuss worksheet 6, the next questions from 6 to 14. But before that, this worksheet is related to area of circle. So how we can find the area of circle using activity. So there is given a circular region. We will fold it up to fourfold so that we get 16 equal strips, triangular strips. We have to cut these all strips and join them in the form of as it is. First strip as it is, second strip as it is. Then it becomes our in the form of a rectangle. It is also given in your book. So when it convert into a rectangle, so what is its length and what is its breadth? So in this case, what is the breadth? Breadth is the radius of this circle. Breadth is the radius of this circle. And what is its length? Length is the circumference. But what is the circumference? Which part is the circumference? The first strip is there. So this circumference. Then second part is there. So second circumference. Then again third strip is there. So this circumference. So means it is the half circumference here and half circumference here. In this case. So what is the length of this rectangle? So it is 1 upon 2 into the circumference. Same base, the second length is equal to 1 upon 2 into the circumference. That is 2 we can cancel there, so it is pi r. The length of this rectangle is equal to pi r. This is also pi r, and breadth is equal to radius. That is the radius of the circle. So therefore area of rectangle is always equal to length into breadth, which is equal to pi r into r into this breadth. That is pi r into r, that is pi r square. So that is the area of circle. Therefore area of circle is equal to pi r square and square units. So we have done yesterday in the previous video 1 to 5 questions. Now we are doing the next question number 6. The next question number 6 is there. If the perimeter of semicircular park is 72 meter, find its area and radius. So in this question, firstly we will find the radius. So let it is the semicircular park having diameter d and radius is there rr. It is r and it is also r. And the perimeter is given. Perimeter is this diameter plus this circumference of semicircle. So therefore the perimeter of semicircle is equal to 72, which is equal to diameter AB plus half of the circumference of the circle, because the circumference of semicircle is just half of the circumference of the circle, that is half of 2 pi r. 2 we can cancel there, so we get pi r only, and d is equal to 2r. Therefore r is common in both these. So when we will take common, the 2 plus pi is there, 22 upon 7 is left. Now how we can calculate the value of r? So r becomes, we will take LCM, so 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 22, that is 36 upon 7. 36 upon 7. Now the value of r becomes 72 is into 7 upon 36. 7 in the numerator and 36 in the denominator. 36 2 is 72, so it becomes 14 centimeter. Therefore area of this semicircle is equal to the half of the area of circle, and half of the area of circle, that is 1 upon 2 into pi r square. And when we will place the value, that is r is equal to 14, so it is equal to 308 meter square. So in this way we have to calculate the area of this semicircle, circular park. Now the next question is there. If a wire of 140 meter in length is molded in the form of a circle and a square turn by turn, find the ratio of the areas of both, means circle to the square. So in this case, length of wire is given. So when we this length of wire is changed in the form of a circle, so what is the radius? So we have to find firstly the radius and then area of this circle. So in this case, for circle, the circumference is their length of wire, which is 440, and we have to find the radius. So we will use formula 2 pi r. So therefore R is equal to 440 into 7 upon 2 into 22. When we will cancel, so it is 20, 22 is 440. So it is equal to 20 into 7 upon 2. 2 we can cancel that, so it becomes 70 meter. Therefore, area of this circular circle, it is pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 70 into 70, that is equal to, after calculation we will get 15,400 meter square. 15,400 meter square. This is the area of circle. Now area of square we have to find also, and then ratio. For square, the perimeter of this square is equal to, the perimeter is equal to the length of our, again 440, and therefore side is equal to 440 upon 4, that is 110 meter. And the area of square is equal to side into side, that is 121, 11 11 the 121 and 0 0 as it is. So it is 12,100 meter square. Now we have to find the ratio of circle upon ratio of square, which is equal to 15,400 upon 12,100. When we will cancel, we get 14 upon 11, that is 14 ratio 11. Now the next question of this exercise is there. Find the area of a square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 8 centimeter. A circle is given and a square is inside it of it, and the radius of this circle is there 8 centimeter. So 8 plus 8, that is AC diagonal, becomes 16 centimeter. So in this case, let ABCD be a square inscribed in a circle of center O and radius 8 centimeter. Therefore OA is equal to OC distance, both are equal to the radius, that is 8 centimeter. AC distance becomes equal to 8 plus 8, that is 16 centimeter. Let each side of the square is equal to x centimeter. All these sides are equal to x centimeter. In this case, firstly we will find the value of x or x square by using Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle. In right angle triangle ABC, h square equal to p square plus b square. H is there 16 square, and side is there x square, x and x square plus x square, that is 2x square, and the value of x square becomes 256 upon 2, that is 128 centimeter square. Now in this question we have to find the area of this circle square. So we know that area of square is always equal to side into side, and the side is there x, so x into x, that is x square. And we know that we have find that value of x square is equal to 128 centimeter square. So therefore the value of x square becomes 128 centimeter square, that is the area of the square. It is, we have taken this value from equation number 1. In this way we can say that the area of square is equal to 128 centimeter square. Now the next question, question number 9. Question number 9 is there. In this question, the diameters of a circular park is 24 meter. A 3 meter wide path runs around it. From inside, find the cost of paving the path, rupees 25 per meter square. Question में ये लिखा है कि a circular park having diameter is given, total diameter is given, that is 24, and its inside path is there having width is there 3 meter. So what is the diameter of inner circular park? That is 24 minus 3 minus 3, that is equal to 18 meter. So in this case we have to find the area of both the circle and then subtract this. So we get the area of this path. After this we have to find the cost. So firstly we will write there, and the diameter of circular park, that is 24 meter, therefore radius becomes 12 meter, and area becomes equal to pi r square, that is 3.14 into 12 into 12. In this case 12 is not a multiple of 7, so we will use this value, that is 3.14 into 12 into 12, that is equal to 452.6 meter square. Also the diameter of park without path, that is equal to 24 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 3. it is equal to 18 meter. Therefore the radius becomes half of this, that is 9 meter, and area of circle is equal to pi r square, and which is equal to 3.14 into 9 into 9, that is 254.34 meter square. Therefore area of path becomes equal to outer area minus inner area. So when we will subtract, we will get 198.26 meter square. Now the cost of mapping the path 1 meter square area is equal to rupees 25. Therefore the cost for total area, that is equal to multiplying it by 25, so we get 4956.5 or 50 paise. This is the total cost required for this. This is question number 9, and then question number 10 is there. A paper in a form of a rectangle PQRS, having PQ distance is there 10 centimeter and QR is there 7 centimeter. That is the length and breadth, and the diameters of two semicircles QR and PS that are cut from this. Two semicircles portions with diameter QR and PS are cut off. Find the area of remaining part. We have to find the area of this part, this remaining part. So in this question what we are doing, firstly we will find the area of this rectangular sheet, complete sheet, and then subtract the area of these two semicircles. So that is the area of remaining sheet. So in this case, firstly we have given the length of rectangle, that is 10 centimeter, and breadth is there 7 centimeter. Also the diameter of this semicircle is equal to 7 centimeter, and the radius becomes half of this, that is 3.5 centimeter. Now the remaining part of this circular sheet is equal to the area of rectangle minus area of two semicircle, and area of two semicircle is equal to the half of circle, 2 into half of the area of circle, that is 1/2 into pi r square, and area of rectangle is their length into breadth, which is equal to 10 into 7 minus pi r square. 2 we can cancel there, so it is only pi r square. Now we will place the value, that is 22/7 into the radius is there 3.5 centimeter or 7/2. So 7/2 into 7/2, because r square is there. After this we are getting 7 we can cancel there, and 22 when we will cut it by 2, it is 11 7 is 77/2. Now we will take LCM to solve this. So it is 72 is 140 minus 77/2, it is 63/2, and it is equal to 31.5 centimeter square. So it is the area of remaining sheet. Now the next question is there, question number 11. A horse is tied to a pole with 21 meter long string. Find the area grazed by the horse. So area grazed by horse, let it is horse and it is a pole, then the distance that is the radius is there 21 meter. So it grazes in circle, we have to find the area of circle. Therefore the length of the string, that is 21, therefore radius of the circle grazed by the horse, that is equal to 21 meter. Therefore area grazed by horse is equal to area of circle, that is pi r square, and it is equal to 22/7 into 21 into 21. So when we will solve, we get 1386 meter square. So it is the area grazed by the horse. Now the next question number 12 is there. Two concentric circles have radii 14 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Find the area of the space between them, the space between these two circles. In this case, two concentric circles are given having the same center. One circle of radius 7 centimeter, other circle of radius 14 centimeter. We have to find the distance between this distance. So how we can find? So firstly, let the two concentric circles with the same center O and the radii are the 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Therefore area of inner circle with radius is there 7 centimeter, that is pi r square, 22/7 into 7 into 7. Then it is equal to 154 centimeter square. Similarly the area of outer circle with radius 14 centimeter, that is pi r square again, and it is 22/7 into 14 into 14, that is equal to 616 centimeter square. Therefore the space between both the circle, that is equal to the difference of the area of these two circles, 616 minus 154. that is 462 centimeter square. In this way we have to find the area between these two. Next question is there, the sum of the circumferences of four small circle is equal to the having the same radius is equal to the circumference of the bigger circle. Find the ratio of the area of the bigger circle to the smaller circle. So in this case we have to find the ratio. So firstly, let four circles are these having same radii, that is r r r, and the bigger circle is there having radii is there r dash. So let r is the radius of the each small circle and r dash is the radius of bigger circle. So in this case the circumference of these four circles is equal to the circumference of the bigger circle. The circumference of these small circle is equal to 4 into the circumference of the one small circle, that is 2 pi r, and the circumference of the bigger circle, that is 2 pi r dash. R dash is the radius of this bigger circle. Now 4 into 2 pi r, 2 pi into r, and this 2 pi goes in division. So 2 pi we can cancel there, so it is 4r. So r dash, the radius of bigger circle, is equal to 4 into the radius of the smaller circle. The radius of bigger circle is r dash is equal to 4r. Now in this question we have to find the ratio of the area of bigger circle to the smaller circle. So that is equal to pi r dash ka square, because the radius of the bigger circle is there r dash, upon the area of smaller circle, that is pi r square. That is 4r whole square upon r square, that is 16r square upon r square, and r square we can cancel there, so it is 16 upon 1, that is 16 ratio 1. So this is the ratio of the area of bigger circle to the area of smaller circle. Now last question of this exercise is there, the area of a circle is equal to the area of the rectangle with sides 112 meter and 88 meter. Find the circumference of the circle. So in this case the area of this circle is equal to area of rectangle. The radius of circle is not given, so let the radius of the circle is equal to r meter, and the dimensions of this rectangle, that is length, is equal to 112 and breadth is there 88 meter. So in this case, according to question, the area of circle is equal to area of rectangle. Area of circle is there pi r square, and area of rectangle is there length into breadth, and that is 112 into 88. Now r square is equal to, when we will take this constant term on that side, 112 into 88 as it is into 7 upon 22 is there. So we can cancel it, so we get 112 into 4 into 7, that is 3136, and it is the square of 56. So therefore square we can cancel there, the radius becomes 56 meter. The radius of this circle becomes 56 meter. After this we have to find the circumference, that is 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 56, 7 8 is 56, and when we multiply, so we get 352 meter. So it is the total circumference of this circle. So in this way we have completed this exercise, and this is the up to this there is the syllabus that will come in your paper. Thank you and have a nice day everyone.